Welcome to this tutorial that will guide you through setting up your terminal for TAURUS usage. Let's start with the URLs. First, open the options of your MetaTrader terminal and navigate to the Expert Advisor section. There you'll find the trading permissions and an option to allow the communication with specific URLs. Add http://stein investments for the volume data and https://nfs faireconomy.media for the news data. Now let's install TAURUS and SI Connect. To install TAURUS and SI Connect from the MQL5 Market, navigate to the Market tab and enter SI Connect in the search field. Click on the SI Connect logo to access its product page and download it to your terminal. Go back to the overview and do the same with TAURUS. Download the free demo of TAURUS to test it in the strategy tester of your terminal. Execute SI Connect on a distinct chart in the background of your terminal. It serves solely as a data handler and refreshes the local data files with updates from our servers. In the upper left corner of the SI Connect chart, you'll find information about the connection status and your terminal's GMT offset. To initiate a backtest, right-click and choose Test to open the strategy tester on your terminal. TAURUS is capable of backtesting from October 2018, which marks the beginning of our real trading volume data recording. Two test modes are recommended: 1-minute OHLC for a quick test, or every tick based on real ticks for the most accurate market data, which may take several hours depending on your computing resources. The settings for DST and GMT are crucial for the accurate execution of backtests. You can find detailed information and instructions in the TAURUS FAQ section on MQL5.com. With all settings done, we can finally start the backtest to see what TAURUS is capable of. Before initiating the test, the terminal will gather all market data for the traded symbols. After verifying this data, the test commences, leading to an impressive growth curve. To learn more about TAURUS and our company, please visit Stein Investments on MQL5.com. Feel free to reach out with any questions you may have. We are eager to hear from you.